Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover deleted photos from iCloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Apple ID website at appleid.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the iCloud section. Click on Photos. Check if your deleted photos are available in the recently deleted album. If you find your photos here, select them. Click on Recover to restore your deleted photos. If the photos are not there, open the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. Go to the Albums tab at the bottom. Scroll down to find Recently Deleted. Tap on it to view recoverable photos. Select the photos you want to recover. Press Recover to restore them to your main library. If you can't find your photos, go back to the iCloud website. Click on Settings to see if you have iCloud Backup enabled. If it's enabled, you might need to restore from a previous backup. To restore from a backup, go to your device's settings. Tap on your name at the top, then select iCloud. Scroll to iCloud Backup and tap on it. Choose Backup now to create a new backup if necessary. If you decide to restore from an older backup, consider that this will overwrite current data. Follow the prompts to complete the restoration process. Once done, check your Photos app to see if the deleted images have been recovered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.